Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get up to date or stay up to date with your girl. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So it looked like they're in a race to see how many people they can kill or get killed before the new year starts. And it says, Clarendon police have now released the identities of the men who were shot and killed by a group of armed men while at a shop in Canaan Heights, Clarendon on Friday night, December 28th. That was literally 2 days after Christmas. Dead are 32-year-old Jermaine Ellis, otherwise called Platinum, a laborer, and 26-year-old Winston Bent, otherwise called Buju, a machine operator, and both of Canyon Heights. 4 other men, 2 of whom are currently in critical condition, were also shot and injured during the incident. So in all, 2 dead and 4 injured. So 6 people. They have been identified as 37-year-old higgler, a 32-year-old plant attendant, a 32-year-old laborer, and a 24-year-old construction worker, all of the same address in Canyon Heights. So this is basically is either close family members or people that live in close proximity of each other that were killed and injured. Reports by the Clarendon police are that shortly after 8:40 p.m. on Friday, all 6 men were among the group of persons at a shop which is located at the intersection of Bailey Avenue and Mother Heights Street when they were ambushed by 3 armed men. The gunmen opened fire on a group, hitting all 6 men. They then made their escape in the area. The police were summoned upon arrival, and Ellis and Bent and the other 4 men were discovered suffering from gunshot wounds. They were transported to the hospital where Bent and Ellis were pronounced dead and the other 4 men admitted in serious condition. I don't know if they're trying to just hurry up and see who they can kill off before the year is finished, or they're trying to catch up on the crazy murder rate that we had in 2017, which was 616 murders, or what it is, but it's getting crazy and crazier by the day, and they want to stop state of emergency. I don't know where or how that is going to work, but condolence goes out to the family of the 2 men that died, and prayers goes up to the 4 that are in critical condition. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.